Boom. Boom. Made it.
We made it.
There's a rainbow around the sign. Do you see the sign rainbow?
Yes, that's amazing.
That's crazy.
Here we are.
It's real scary and sketchy.
We made it.
I didn't untie the front. We're gonna untie the front.
Oh man. All right. Got it. Boy, I hurried.
What?
Boy, I hurried.
Huh?
I hurried.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Made it. Donu! Yes, we made it. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Davu and Donu Show. I'm Davu. Yeah, let's get it going. Maybe we'll snag hold of a nice big marlin out here today. Which I know about the Kentucky Lake Marlins. Eh? Anyway, we're at Pisgah Bay right now. This is Pisgah Bay. We put in over around this thing and up that way. It's next to Hillman's Ferry. The rock quarry's right over there. We're gonna make our way to it. But I might throw a line real quick. This looks like a fishy little area right here if you ask me, all right? And
Look at this.
what?
Look how pretty.
It's beautiful. I love it. I love LBL. I love Kentucky Lake. I love it. If y'all need an ambassador, whoever's in charge here, hit me up. Hit me up. And Donu. Donu has to come with me. Or I got to come with her. That bird. Stand on that rock. That's cool. We're out here. Rough waters. I caught a bass. Caught a bass. Got one for the day. And then this bird's showing out. Alright, so we got these rough waters. It's the main channel out there. And it's probably even rougher out there. It doesn't look bad from here. But looks are deceiving. Up there he goes. I don't even know if I'm getting any more. I can't spin around. Should we go across? Let's go across. We're going across. We're gonna hit this strip, go around it, and up in there is the place called the Rock Quarry. And it's really cool. Let's get it. It's okay. You rocked my world just then. Watch out for my fish hook. Dude, this water's a little chop. A little chop to the water here. Okay, I'm gonna get on over there. Dang. Oh my God. Damn it all. Here I come. Look at all this water before us. We made it out of like the choppiness. But I imagine it's looking pretty chill in the main channel, Don.
Not bad. It's not bad.
All right, we're gonna get around this corner here. It's gonna be the rock quarry. Let's go. That? Oh yeah? Here's the rock quarry. I used to jump off the top of these rocks.
Yeah, it's pretty high,
A stencil, I'd say. What that? Pretty cool. Lazy farm. Okay. Like, yep. We got a fireball in the wild. This one thinks it's gonna get away. Stir up some moccasins.
What is it?
Nothing. I was striking a pose.
Yes.
Alice and Marcia, 1988, 30 years enrolling.
Pretty cool, huh? I'm getting some cool footage of you right now.
What?
I'm getting some cool footage of you right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because it's like so colorful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ladybug.
I feel like right here is where I used to jump. What? You know, that ain't a lie. There's something over there that says 24 years from now you'll wish you jumped. And honestly, I jumped. When you're up there, it feels like it's about 6 of these. But it says welcome. Welcome thee. Anyway, 24 years from now you'll wish you jumped. And I bet I would have if I hadn't have, but I did, so it's cool.
I'll tell you what, I'm good. I don't wish I jumped. I didn't jump, and I'm good.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad I
I
jumped
was
it.
right over there, boat full of friends. I did not jump. They did. I watched. That was fun.
That's, yeah. This is the spot. Look, we used to climb up there. See them ropes? They're still there. Like, they're not the same. Yeah. Heck yeah. There's a snake. Two of them. Yeah, there's another one curled up in that one. I see his head sticking out.
Yeah. Unless it's a two-headed snake.
Okay. We're going towards it. I'm pretty sure it's mating. I'm just gonna let it sprog. Is that what they call it? Just let it sprog, brother. Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
Are you gonna jump in the water?
It's coming. Yeah, it might.
Really?
I didn't mean to run this good time, you know what I mean? He's trying to make babies. Later, snake. Now there's a raccoon. The mighty raccoon.
So cute.
Looking over Kentucky Lake. Living in the rock quarry. But that is a good thing about kayaks. You can just get right up on nature.
He's going up that embankment, way up high. Look, see him?
Oh yeah. Going one-handed in here.
Oh God!
Look at that.
Oh goodness!
Might be a beautiful beach right here to chill on, Donu. It's a good view. Is that beach or there's this nook way in there? Okay, this spot or that? You went in there?
We could go here.
Pretty good spot. Okay. All right, we're gonna go up in there. I'm gonna watch Dawn do this. It's a really high bank. Probably right there, yeah. Unless you want to just step off.
I don't know. I guess I'll try to do it there.
I'm gonna get my sand shoes on. Yeah. Good job. Are you hooked? Nice. All right, here I come. Oh, hold on. I need to put these bad boys on. Okay. I'm ready. We'll take this. Okay.
Woo. Dang. Oh, there goes my boat. I'll sit on it. It's so heavy. Wow. Okay. Oh gosh. That was crazy.
Check us out.
Yeah. Phew. Boy. Dang. Land ho. Land ho.
Oh,
Dang.
we were on there for a minute.
Yeah, we were. What do you think? 2 hours? Maybe. Yeah.
Look at this.
This is beautiful. Our own little wading pool.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, this is good. I like it here.
Yeah, this is a good spot. Lots of fuel, lots of water here.
Once again, we've made it to the main channel. On our channel.
Cool.
Yes,
Pretty. Neat. Nice. You like this?
I do.
I love this. It's lovely.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
This is what's up. Ooh, sea glass.
There's some up by the boat, too.
There is?
Oh, here's some. Here's some. Ooh.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Ha ha.
Yeah.
Good job.
So far, we came out of Pisgah Bay,
Yep.
wrapped around the corner to the rock quarry, and this is just around the corner from the rock quarry. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna sit up here and hang out,
Sounds good.
chill. This is a chill spot for the day. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, and it's got lots of cool stuff to explore.
Yeah, we can explore all of this.
Mm-hmm.
This tree is amazing. Look at where we are right now. Look at this. Oh man, yeah. Shout out Kentucky Lake.
Goodness.
Just look at this setup here.
Goodness.
Now that's the life. This is the setup right here. This is it. This is where it's at. Where it's at. Is this where it's at?
This is it.
This is it. This is it right here. Found it. Found where it is. Right here.
Right here.
This white? Yeah. Oh. We're about to check this one right here. All right.
Yes. Get us one.
They're gonna bite my worm not swim right. Dogs out here. None of them want my damn rubber worm. Eat my rubber worm, please.
I really just want over there so bad.
I'm going to come down off of here. I think it brings some fishing. Oh, you got the phone, right?
Yeah.
We're about to make some Hawaiian sandwich things. Yes,
These are the tops.
those are the tops. And by the way, I'm peeling, and it's gross. From Orange Beach. It's from the beach.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a fancy tan. It's a fancy poo.
Uh-huh.
It's a fancy peel. Look, they're on a pontoon. All right. Look, don't judge me either. Don's peeling. Oh my God. Whoa, bird. So what do we got, Don?
Are we gonna put this on the sandwiches?
Yeah.
All right.
And dip it too. I don't care. We got some sharp cheddar. We got some
Rotisserie chicken breast.
rotisserie style chicken breasts. And this, the secret sauce. Ken's Steakhouse honey mustard.
Yeah.
Turns out it's delicious.
And don't forget the mayo.
Oh, and mayo. And of course,
The Hawaiian.
Hawaiian bread. And this is the Lewis.
Lewis.
It's cheaper than, oh, and I got a tomato too. And it's cheaper than the King's Hawaiian. And softer. Like, I don't know. Give me the one over there.
You got something there.
Oh, yeah. And then we're going to eat it here. And it's going to be a great time. It's going to be a good picnic. Dang. We got big boat gangs. Big boat gang. Big boat. We got some big boats out there. The sandwiches are almost done. The Hawaiian bread sandwiches, the sweet Hawaiian bread sandwiches are almost done. Woo! Dawn made the sandwiches upside down. She wants everybody to know that that's not the presentation she was wanting to. But let's look what we got going on here. I mean, oh.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. In case you didn't know, them green olives. That's what's up. Yeah. Cheap snack. Cheap snack. $1.40 or something. Yeah.
It's probably like $2.25. But still, that's the equivalent of $1.40
Let's
nowadays.
get it to drip. Oh yeah.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
Look at the fish jumping.
Look at this. Fish jumping everywhere.
Oh my god.
None are wanting any rubber worms right now, though, that's for sure.
We should really throw them in there right now.
I mean, we've tried and tried. We're about to take off. We could try again.
It's beautiful.
Look how pretty it is.
No, we probably better take off. It doesn't even show the same pink in the video.
No, it's like it is like cotton candy out there. It's amazing. Like, look at that.
I wonder if a photo would.
Maybe I'll try to take one. But like, we're about to take off on these things, way back over there. It's gonna be a night kayak, a night paddle. You know how we like the night hike. Now it's time to night yak. All right, night yak on 3. 1, 2, 3. Night yak.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Night yak. 1, 2, 3.
Night yak. That felt funny.
Okay.
I never once made a complete contact with your hand.
And I wouldn't necessarily advise you to take a night yak unless you're comfortable night yakking. You know what I mean? Unless you're comfortable, and unless you're comfortable out there on that water.
Yeah.
Don't be night yakking if you ain't. Okay. But if you are, night yak on, brother. Okay, shit. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. Hope you're ready. Hey. Okay. Don is suiting up. You ready?
No.
Oh. Not yet. Wow. Yeah. This is beautiful. That's nice. Okay, we got a full moon. Whee! And we, with the full moon, the dog man might he might come out. You never know.
There's where we were.
Hey, there's where we were. It was good. It was good. And now we're gonna make a paddle out. But look at the sunset. Okay, I'm on my way. We're on our way. Night yak. We got moon glistenings. So nice. Paddling with one hand to get the footage. On a moonlight boat ride. Final push. Back to here. Oh. All right. Wow. We're coming up on what we're gonna be the ramp, the boat ramp. Again, this view is amazing. Let's see. I wonder how slick the boat ramp is. It's not slick. Here, I'm gonna help you. Get my boat. I can't see. Let me move this out of the way. Here, let me just get you on the boat ramp. It's not slick at all.
Okay.
You want me to help you up? I'll take you this.
Oh, my feet are gonna be wet, but it's okay. You know they done dried. Okay. Oh. So wet and cold. Okay. On ground. On ground.
Dang, that's crazy. Okay. We made it. Okay, hold that. I'm gonna get these over here.
Where's my paddle? Where's my paddle? Did I lose it? Huh?
I got it.
Oh.
Where's the car? We made it, don't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
We're out of here. Leave me an apple fritter. We're eating apple fritters and we're out of here.
Yep. Hey.
Hey, we're out of here. And we're eating apple fritters.
Yeah.
Gravel roads and apple fritters. Gee. Hold on. Oh, yeah, you know, bite. What are you having?
Ice cream. My favorite.
What?
Huh?
What is it?
Ice cream?
What?
Cone? I'm about to sneeze.
Ice cream cones. What is it?
Ice cream cone.